This building in front of you was Lee's headquarters when he was stationed at Fort Monroe in 1831 to 1834 as a lieutenant of the engineers. He had almost complete charge of the construction and put the finishing touches on the fort. Lee's first child was born here in 1832. As this fort was being built, there were 3 black slaves who turned themselves in to the general of this fort, asking for asylum. And the owner of those men came to the general and said, No, you can't give them asylum because they're my property. And the general said to the owner, Are you in Virginia? And he said, Yes. And he said, Well, you seceded from the Union. Therefore, the Fugitive Slave Act is not applicable. And these men are now free. So as word got out that if you came to this fort and you were black and a slave, you got your freedom. Needless to say, you know what happened. If they could get here, they came, and they were given their freedom. Now, a lot had to serve in the army, but serving in the army was better than serving under a master and being a slave. Soon, this fort became known not as Fort Monroe, but as Freedom's Fort.